When it comes to traveling from one city to another, we all have two main options. We can get on a plane or take a train. But what if the future of travel belongs to trains only? What if one day soon trains will completely replace planes? You're about to find out. Hey, guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel, The Tale Reel. Before we start, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next epic story. And let's begin. Number 1, Speed Wars. Can trains overtake planes? First, let's analyze speed. After all, speed is the most important factor when it comes to transportation. So here are the world's fastest trains today. China's Fuxing CR400AFBF, which is the speed of 350 kilometers per hour. This high-speed beast has been the backbone of China's remarkable high-speed rail network. The Fuxing is a high-performance train that covers vast distances efficiently. Japan Shinkansen N700S, which is the speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Japan's Shinkansen is renowned for its punctuality and high speed. It's a marvel of Japanese engineering and a popular choice among locals and tourists alike. France's high-speed train, which is the speed of 320 kilometers per hour. France's high-speed rail system connects major cities swiftly and comfortably. The TGV has revolutionized travel within France. Spain's bullet train, which is a speed of 310 kilometers per hour. Spain's AVE has brought the country closer together by reducing travel time between cities. It's a symbol of Spain's commitment to modern transportation, but these speeds are just peanuts compared to the Maglev trains. These futuristic trains already break all the records. Shanghai Maglev China, which is the speed of 460 kilometers per hour. The Shanghai Maglev is the fastest train in the world. This innovative mode of transport takes passengers from the airport to the city center in record time. SC Maglev Japan, coming 2027, which is the speed of 600 kilometers per hour. Japan's Maglev is set to redefine speed and efficiency. Once operational, it will connect major cities like Tokyo and Osaka in mere minutes. With such impressive speeds, Maglev trains have the potential to challenge air travel for short to medium-haul routes. However, it remains to be seen how these technologies evolve and become more accessible. Now, aside from speed, there's another critical aspect to consider: sustainability. As we know, air travel has a significant impact on the environment. So, will trains prove to be a greener alternative? Are trains the future of eco-travel? Trains are undeniably the greenest way to travel. Here's a comparison of CO2 emissions per passenger for every 1,000 kilometers traveled. Airplane, approximately 250 kilograms of CO2. Car, approximately 150 kilograms of CO2. Train, approximately 30 kilograms of CO2. So trains emit up to 90% less CO2 per passenger than planes. Now there are even more eco-friendly trains in the pipeline. Electric trains. Some trains are already powered by electricity, which reduces their environmental impact even further. France's TGVM train, launching in 2025, will consume 20% less energy thanks to regenerative braking and optimized aerodynamics. Plus, it'll be made of 100% recyclable materials. Hydrogen trains. Germany's Illen is the first hydrogen-powered train in the world. It produces zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly solution for transportation. These developments show that trains are becoming more sustainable and could contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions in the transportation sector. Next, cost is another essential factor to consider. When traveling, high-speed rail often offers competitive prices compared to air travel. Let's compare some routes. Do trains offer a better deal? London to Paris. Plane costs €50 versus Eurostar costs €39. Madrid to Barcelona, plane costs 45 euros versus AV costs 30 euros. Tokyo to Osaka, plane costs 80 euros versus Shinkansen costs 90 euros. As you can see, high-speed trains are sometimes cheaper than flying. However, budget airlines still offer the best deals for long-haul flights. Beyond ticket prices, trains also save you money in other ways. For example, there are no long security lines, no waiting at the gate, and no baggage fees. Also, train stations are often located in city centers, saving you time and money on airport transfers. In fact, you can book a direct train from your doorstep without having to travel to the outskirts of town to reach a major airport. That's why trains might be the ultimate smart and economical choice for travelers. Next, comfort is another aspect worth considering. While both planes and trains offer comfortable options, trains generally provide more legroom, especially in sleeper trains. Plus, you can stretch your legs during the journey. Most trains feature free Wi-Fi, restaurant cars, and panoramic views, making the journey itself part of the adventure. Next, tonight, train comeback. With the rise of sleeper trains, traveling overnight is becoming a stylish and practical option. Can night trains replace overnight flights? In Europe, sleeper trains are making a big comeback. Services like Nightjet, which is in Austria and Germany, Udinite in Italy, Switzerland, and Austria, and the upcoming Paris and Berlin sleeper, coming 2024, offer cozy cabins, comfortable beds, and private showers, making overnight travel a luxurious experience. And guess what? There are various options to suit different budgets and travel styles. From $50 budget bunks to $500 first-class private cabins with meals and showers, it's like choosing your own adventure. So what do you think? Is the sleeper train experience better than an overnight flight? The future of trains, Hyperloop and more. While high-speed trains are amazing, they're not the end of the story. The future of rail travel holds even more exciting possibilities. One of the most talked about projects is the Hyperloop, proposed by Elon Musk. This high-speed transportation system uses pods, traveling at supersonic speeds. Inside tubes. Imagine getting from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. The Hyperloop could potentially transform long-distance travel. Current Hyperloop projects are in the works in the USA, UAE, India, and Europe. Who knows? One day soon you might zoom through an underground tunnel at incredible speeds. Another exciting development is China's plan to build high-speed maglev lines that could reach 1,000 kilometers per hour or more by 2050. These futuristic trains could connect major Chinese cities in record time. Europe is also investing in expanding its high-speed rail network. By 2030, new routes will connect Italy, Germany, and Poland, making travel across Europe faster and more convenient. Can trains fully replace planes? Now that we've covered speed, sustainability, cost, comfort, and future projects, let's address the big question. Can trains entirely replace planes? Well, the answer depends on the distance. For short-haul flights under 3 hours, the answer is yes. Trains are faster, more environmentally friendly, cheaper, and more comfortable. So why not leave those planes behind? However, for long-haul flights like transatlantic or intercontinental trips, trains cannot yet replace planes. Flying is still faster and more efficient for long distances, but that doesn't mean trains won't play a big role in reducing the impact of aviation. As more countries adopt the EU's short-haul flight ban, which prohibits domestic flights where train alternatives exist, we're likely to see a shift towards rail travel. France has already banned domestic flights where train alternatives exist, encouraging more people to hop on board. What do you think? Would you choose high-speed trains over planes? Let us know in the comments. By the way, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.